Question is given square root of 3 minus square root of 27 divided by square root of 3 plus square root of 27 is equal to what? We have to find out this value. How we can find out? Let's see solution. Square root of 3 minus square root of 27 divided by square root of 3 plus square root of 27. We can write here square root of 3 plus square root of 27. We can write this 9 times 3. 9 3s are 27. This is minus divided by square root of 3 plus square root of 27, that is 9 times 3. 9 3s are 27 is equal to square root of 3 plus, now you can see here this is square root of 9, so we can do separate this square root of 9 times square root of 3 divided by square root of 3 minus it's plus square root of 9 times square root of 3 now is equal to square root of 3 minus square root of 9, this is 3 times square root of 3 divided by square root of 3 plus square root of 9, that is 3 square root of 3 is equal to, now square root of 3 square root of 3, so we can take common square root of 3. Square root of 3, 1 minus 3 divided by square root of 3, again we can take common here 1 plus 3, right? Now is equal to square root of 3 square root of 3 cancel, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 1 plus 3 4, so we can 1 2 1 2 2 2 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is the value, square root of 3 minus square root of 27 divided by square root of 3 plus square root of 27 is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is the solution. Next method, second method. Now we are solving by second method, that is question is given square root of 3 minus square root of 27 divided by square root of 3 plus square root of 27. This is question, so we can do here one thing, multiply both side, multiplying by square root of 3 minus square root of 27 in numerator and denominator, then we will get here square root of 3 minus square root of 27 divided by square root of 3 plus square root of 27. Now we are multiplying here with this in numerator and denominator, square root of 3 minus square root of 27 divided by square root of 3 minus square root of 27 now is equal to square root of 3 minus square root of 27 times square root of 3 minus square root of 27. So we can write this square root of 3 minus square root of 27 square, right, divided by, this is a square root of 3 plus square root of 27 square root of 3 minus square root of 27. So this is the formula of a plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we can write this a square minus b square. Here comparing this, a equal to square root of 3. So square root 3 whole square minus b, that is 27, square root of 27 square, a square minus b square now is equal to a square minus b square is equal to, we can write formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? This is the formula, a minus b whole square. So here a is square root of 3. So a square plus b square, that is square root of 27, b square minus 2a square root of 3 times b square root of 27. Right? Now divided by a square minus b square. So this is the square and here square root, cancel, square root cancel. So 3 minus 27. Right? Now is equal to, here square root of 3 and square. So this will cancel here. Square root of 27 and square. So this will also cancel here. So we can write 3 plus 27 minus 2 times square root of 3 times 27 divided by 3 minus 27, 7 minus 3, 4. It's minus 24 is equal to 3 plus 27. So we can write this 30. 30 minus 2. 27 3 is 81 divided by minus 24 is equal to, now 30 minus 2 square root of 81, that is 9. 9 9 is 81. So we can write this 9 divided by minus 24 is equal to 30 minus 9 2 is 18 divided by minus 24 is equal to, we can write this 30 minus 18, that is 12. This is 12 divided by minus 24. So is equal to 12 minus 24, that is 12 1 is 1, 12 2 is 24 minus 1 by 2. So we can write this answer, square root of 3 minus square root of 27 divided by square root of 3 plus square root of 27 is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is solution by using second method. Thank you so much.